Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in Kiplinger Personal Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Kiplinger Personal Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now to log in, click on this link. Now you need your email address and a password to log in. So type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgot or need a password, you can click on this link to reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on sign up and create a new account. Or you can directly sign in with your Facebook account or with your Google account or with your Apple ID account. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Kiplinger Personal Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.